Hello gorgeous! It's me, Rick. Welcome back to my channel. For today's makeup tutorial, we will show you how to achieve this soft glam makeup that you can wear in all your events. Night event, morning event, midnight event. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell button to get notified whenever I post new videos. First step is toner. I will use Pixi Glow Tonic to go. Ganda nito kasi toner siya, tapos nakalagay na siya sa cotton pad. So, Iya has a dry skin. So, perfect tong toner na to kasi it hydrates the skin while it balances the pH kinesa. Extreme yung dryness ng face niya. Nafe-feel ko. Ouch! Next step is Micro Essence from Estee Lauder. It helps the skin absorb the products na gagamitin mo after niya. So, mas maganda yung absorption ng skin mo sa serum, sa moisturizer. Next step is another favorite skincare of mine, Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum. Let's do 4 drops sa face. And then, massage it gently sa face.
Ito pala feeling ng may skincare.
Next step is Estee Lauder's Revitalizing Supreme Anti-Aging Cream. She needs extra moisture, so we need more. Next step is this Ultra HD Lip Booster from Makeup Forever. Kasi dry din yung lips niya.
Lahat.
Lahat sa kanya dry. Next step is Eye Cream from Estee Lauder. It's the Advanced Night Repair Eye Complex. Next step is Makeup Primer. This is Clarins SOS Primer in Boosts Radiance. So perfect siya for dry skin. Next step is Foundation. I will use Laura Mercier's Radiant Foundation. I will use my flat foundation brush and makeup sponge. First, I will use my flat foundation brush. Iya's undertone is warm and cool at the same time. May mga ganong skin type talaga. Yung hindi mo makikita kung warm ba talaga o cool. So, kailangan mo talagang mag-mix ng dalawang undertone na makeup. Hindi siya neutral. Iba pa yung neutral.
Ano yung first ever foundation na ginagamit mo for clients?
First ever foundation, yung Kryolan.
New stick?
No, yung Kryolan na nakapots.
Ah,
Yung
cream?
isang ganon, cream. Sobrang ganda niya. May amoy lang.
May chemical.
Amoy chismis, amoy chemical. Pero sobrang ganda. Sorry, ang galing ko talaga mag-match ng foundation.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Next step, I will use my makeup sponge to blend it. For me, this is an important step kasi it makes your foundation more flawless. Walang streaky lines. Blend ka lang. Next step is our concealer. I will use Laura Mercier's Flawless Fusion. Then I will use the same sponge to blend it out. May bukol po siya, so ayusin natin yan later. And don't forget your neck. Kahit very, very light lang. Before setting her face with the powder, I will use my Tomford Glow Drops muna in shade Liquid Sky. I love this kasi yung highlight na nagagawa niya is very natural looking lang. Yung parang glow from within. And then, I will put it on the high points of her face. Ayan. Sa may cheekbones. Then, sa bridge ng nose. And then, konti lang sa chin. And konti din sa may temples. Here. Para umangat ng Nadine Munyo. Another makeup trick by Rick. Wow. Para may instant lifting sa brow. Para hindi ka na magpa-borax.
Picture na agad.
Para sa picture ba yun? Next step, I'll use Sunnies Face Airblush Cheek Tint in shades Peaches and Dull. For me, I love mixing peach and pink shades talaga kasi parang mas nami-mimic niya yung natural blush color. Parang kinilig ka lang ganun. I'm using a synthetic brush, light on the cheeks, high point. I will use the same sponge to blend the edges para mas seamless ulit. Yan. Para hindi makita kung saan nagsa-start and nag-end yung blush. So, mas natural tingnan. Show the world. Then I will use Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder from Laura Mercier to set the face. This is in shade 1. I will use a powder brush. Next step, we'll do the eyes na. I will use this Narcissist Wanted Eye Palette. I will use this palette for the entire eye look. So before applying the eyeshadow, make sure na walang crease. I will use a flat brush to lay down the color. I will mix these two shades. Don't forget to tap the excess. Then use a blending brush to blend the edges. Then I use the darker shade and apply it on the middle part. Then blend it outward again. Then I will use the same two shades sa under eye. Don't be afraid to use eyeshadow sa under eye. Actually, nakakapagpalaki siya ng mata if you do it properly. Kasi that manipis lang. Mas nakakabilog kasi siya ng mata kapag may shadow sa baba. Ikaw ba, as a makeup artist, essential ba to for you?
Nakakakumpleto siya ng eye look.
Look, no? Mas bilog, mas mulat.
Parang kulang kapag sa taas lang.
Lang. Then I will use this metallic shade. Lalagay ko lang sa gitna para may dagdag depth. Dabit lang sa gitna. Ayan. Then I will use the highlighter again for the inner corner. I will use this brown shade from Teviant in shade Mavourneen. Gagamitin ko lang siya sa upper lash line. For me, I prefer using brown eyeliners kasi mas soft siya. Gagamit lang ako ng black pag super takalong makeup. Ganun. Pero kung soft glam, everyday, ganun. I usually use brown lang. Then I will use the Doyenne shade for the waterline for more mulat again. Next step is to curl the lashes. I will use my Uemura Curlash. Then I will use my Hourglass Caution Ultra Black Mascara. Next step is the brows. I will use Sunnies Face Life Brow in shade Ash Brown. Perfect to for women with black hair. Commit mo na. Then, technique lang. Dapat stroke upwards. Refrain mo parang yung ganun. Parang sundan nyo dapat yung hair.
Para mas natural. Anong year ka nag-start mag-makeup?
Late 2013.
2013? Tagal na. Paano na? 7 years?
Pa 7 years na ako nang bubudol. Then I will use my Laura Mercier's Brow Dimension in shade Brunette for more power pa sa brows. Para mas full siya tingnan. Meron siyang mga fiber. So, nagmumukhang makapal talaga yung brows. For that bushy look brows. Next, I will do the lips. I will use my lip cheat from Charlotte Tilbury in shade Pillow Talk. Super universal tong shade na to. Then, mag-overline ako ng very light para mas sexy. Then, for the lipstick, I'm using Estee Lauder Knockout Nude. Then, I will layer a lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Hall of Fame. Very universal din tong lip gloss na to. Gagamitin ko lang siya sa mid part. Yan. Para maiwasan niyo yung lechon look, yung buong lips, ganun. Try nyo mag-gloss lang sa mid part.
Your favorite?
Next step is contour. My super favorite Kevyn Aucoin, the sculpting powder in shade medium. Tingnan nyo kung gaano ko siya favorite. Charan! Bush na siya.
Mukha siyang shadow.
Shadow. Super favorite ko to kasi as in literal na pang contour lang siya, pang shadow. Shadow effect. From here, tapos i-blend nyo lang siya. Yan. Then don't forget your jawline.
Paano mo nalalaman saan ipi-place yung contour?
Depende sa face shape. At dahil dyan, abangan nyo yung video ko about sa contouring for all face shapes coming soon.
Wala siyang jawline.
Gigil. Yan, contour din natin ng very light yung forehead niya.
Tawag sa akin ng boyfriend ko, flower horn.
Ba dahil dito? Sa noo mo?
Sa noo.
And then of course, don't forget your nose contour. Yan. Instant nose job. I'm coming up with a nose contour tutorial din soon. So watch out. I'm gonna be a star. And next step is blusher from Tomford in shade Inhibition. So maglalagay lang ako sa konti sa apples, then sa high point. Dahil medyo putok yung cheeks niya, so hindi na ako masyadong maglalagay sa mismong apples para hindi na pumutok. So more on here. Yan. sa gitna ng highlighter and ng contour. So, dito siya. Yan. Then, we'll put another layer of highlight. Highlight, more fun. Sa taas lang siya ng blush on top. Here. And the very last step, finishing spray. My favorite, Glamglow Glowsetter. Dati meron to dito, pero ngayon wala na. So, you can order it online.
Bango.
And this is our finished look for our Soft Glam. May sabit. So, this is the final look for our Soft Glam Makeup. If you liked our tutorial, go ahead and click the like button. Please! If you have further questions and video suggestions, just put it on the comment down below. Thank you for watching! Bye!
If you're new to smash the subscribe button. Radiance perfect. Oh. Mali. Flawless Lumiere. Flawless Lumiere. Ang hirap. Curl the lashes. Use.